Here are some highlights from the August issue of Cleaner magazine. Brent and Adrian McDonald didn't just rebrand, they rebuilt from the pipe up. With bold moves into lining and trenchless tech, Rub-A-Dub Plumbing is proving you can grow a business and still get your hands dirty. And yes, there's a giant blue duck involved. What happens when two brothers-in-law ditch plumbing and real estate to go all in on pipelining? New Flow Upstate is now the go-to crew for complex jobs across the Northeast, stacked with high-tech tools, serious grit, and a next-gen plan to scale even bigger. Late summer is prime time for sewer crews to catch up before fall rains and freezing temps hit. Miss this window and you're just waiting for the next emergency. Two plumbers couldn't agree. Rooter Hero rolled in with a rigid cam, found the real problem, and saved the customer thousands. For this crew, inspection cameras aren't optional. They're the most powerful tool in the van. Dennis Hammond turned a dusty lean-to into a training lab and a recruiting machine. Check out his in-house apprenticeship program. 2025 Water Blasting and Water Jetting Directory is your one-stop resource for the tools that keep drains flowing and jobs moving. This fall, Vancouver becomes the epicenter of no-dig innovation. No Dig North is teaming up with ISTT to host a powerhouse event that brings trenchless pros from around the world under one roof. Grease, roots, ice, debris. No matter what's clogging the line, there's a tool in this lineup that'll blast it, pull it, or jet it out. The new Q's OZ4 HD inspection camera delivers crisp HD video and taps into AI to flag pipeline problems with pinpoint precision, even from over 4,000 feet away. All this and more is in the latest issue of Cleaner, free for qualified readers. Thank you for watching and thank you for reading Cleaner magazine. See you next month.